stop scrolling. If you're over 55, your arteries may be clogging silently, and the worst part, you won't feel it happening. But today, I'm revealing 10 superfoods proven to clean plaque fast, so your heart, brain, and legs stay strong for years. Stay with me. Number 4 is something almost every senior ignores. Hi, I'm your senior wellness coach, and if you care about heart health, energy, and longevity, hit subscribe now so you never miss a life-saving tip. Why arteries clog faster after 50? As you age, your arteries become less flexible. Plaque builds up from inflammation, stress, poor diet, and slow metabolism. This leads to chest tightness, memory decline, cold hands and feet, leg weakness when walking, fatigue, high blood pressure. The good news: certain foods can actually scrub, dissolve, and clear plaque. Let's start the countdown. 10. Avocado. Healthy fats in avocado reduce LDL, the bad cholesterol, and increase HDL. Seniors who eat avocado daily show better artery flexibility and reduced inflammation. If you already eat avocado daily, comment yes below. 9. Grapes. Dark purple, packed with resveratrol. Grapes protect artery walls from hardening. They relax blood vessels so blood flows more freely. 8. Garlic. Nature's artery vacuum studies show garlic reduces plaque by up to 20% when taken consistently. Supports blood pressure, circulation, and artery repair. 7. Blueberries. The antioxidant anthocyanin repairs damaged arteries and acts like a natural blood thinner. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric reduces inflammation, the real cause of artery plaque. Curcumin improves blood vessel elasticity dramatically for seniors. 5. Spinach. Spinach increases nitric oxide, the compound that widens arteries naturally. Perfect for lowering blood pressure and preventing clots. 4. Olive oil. The heart's best friend. Most seniors ignore the power of high-quality olive oil. It reduces bad cholesterol and slows plaque formation significantly. If you cook with butter every day, switch one meal to olive oil this week. Comment I'll try. If you're in 3. Walnuts. Walnuts contain omega-3 south that reduce artery stiffness by up to 64%. Perfect snack for brain plus heart health. 2. Beans. Fiber grabs excess cholesterol and pulls it out of your body. Just 1/2 cup daily can lower LDL by up to 12%. 1. Pomegranate. The artery superhero. This fruit increases nitric oxide, melts plaque, and improves circulation like nitrogen monoxide. Other fruit. Many cardiologists recommend seniors drink 2 to 4 ounces daily. Important reminder: you don't need all 10 foods every day, but adding 2 to 3 consistently can transform your cardiovascular health. Which of these superfoods do you already eat? Which one will you start with this week? Comment below. I respond to everyone. If you want more science-backed tips for longevity, brain health, leg strength, and natural healing, hit subscribe. This channel is your home for senior wellness, daily habits, and natural remedies that truly work. Take care of your arteries, and they'll take care of you. See you in the next video.